Hello human beings, this is Elisha and welcome back to another Moto vlog. Today it's very hot. You guys can see it's a very sunny day, and I just thought that why not just get an insurance on my motorcycle and ride a little bit and talk with you guys a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. The other thing is a couple of months ago I went to Ontario. See you look out, it's a small town, and I was there to meet one of my friends who was actually living here in Winnipeg for a long time, and I went to see him there. And there in Sioux Lookout in Ontario, I made couple of more friends. One of those friends, he actually is in Winnipeg. He just actually called me in the morning today, and he didn't have my number, so he contacted me on Facebook and Instagram, and he said hi, and he told me that he's in Winnipeg and he came here to see to actually give his IELTS test, because he got so he came here to give his IELTS test, and he wanted to just stay here for one more day, and he just contacted me, so I said why not just meet him. So I'm just going to meet him, to see him, and I thought why not just go on my motorcycle, because it's nice weather out there, and yeah, that's why I'm just riding a motorcycle and talking with you guys. Hi. Say hi. People are saying hi to me. You know, when you're a motorcycle, people usually, you know, they like to see you riding, and to be a very disciplined rider. So that's what we are not actually. See the traffic, and this is just phase one, my friend. Me, yesterday I had an accident. Somebody hit me, somebody rear-ended me, so I have to be very conscious about my riding now, because that was my first accident in this, actually in last 2 years. So I have to be very careful about how am I riding and all that stuff. Nice car! Matching! Matching! Oh damn, boy! Actually, I don't know. Maybe one of these hotels. We'll figure that out. I just want to go right now here and see that what hotels. I think the name of that hotel was Lakeview or something. I'm just gonna check that real quick. I'm not sure if this is the hotel or something. Courtyard. I don't think so. Sorry? Can't hear you. See, that's a no parking, but cops. Actually, let me just pull over here and check that real quick. Now, let me just pull over here. I'm just gonna check it real quick. See that plane? That's a runway right there. See the other planes right there. And this is where my friend is staying, so I'm just gonna see him. So finally I made it, and I'm just standing outside in the guest parking, as you guys can see. So right now I'm just waiting for him to come down, and we'll meet. I don't know how long it's gonna take for him to come down. And so this is the hotel, if you guys are wondering. See how beautiful is that? Courtyard Marriott. And you know the good part is if you just walk right here, right, a little bit. Oh, I think I have to go a little bit more far. See that? Right there. That's a UPS plane. That's a Boeing 747. And this is the hotel right here. So I think he's there. Probably this guy right here. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good.
You're coming in vlog, man. Say hi.
What's up?
You watch my videos?
I do.
This guy watch my. Hey guys, so I'm chilling with him. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.
वाह यार जबरदस्त